Greetings. Hibernation activated. Stabilizing. Synchronizing. System stable. Logging into system. Program activated. Hologram program deactivated.
I hope you enjoyed that really long opening. I needed to release that built up creativity inside of me. As you all know, because of the current situation, I've decided to spend my time doing staycations in Singapore. This is Met a Spaceport in the Kampong Glam or Arab Street area. They first opened in 2014 and were the first to start the Capsule hotel business in Singapore. Today they have several outlets situated here in the heart of Singapore. If you're interested, the links are in the description box down below. I've always wanted to try sleeping in a capsule, and I stumbled upon a space-themed capsule located in Tokyo while on Google Maps, and I thought to myself, wouldn't it be cool to stay in one of these? Which led me to find this chain in Singapore. So here I am checking into the capsule on a late afternoon. Many of you know that I am going through a studio relocation and revamp, so taking time out to stay here was definitely a good plan. Also, the new space I have is so much smaller than what I had before, so putting myself into one of these tiny little cubicles for the night helped me put things in perspective. This particular outlet is new, so it is fairly clean. Lockers are provided and are near your capsule, so all you need is to take what you need into the pod. This capsule is perfect for the traveler who loves to explore more rather than a relaxing retreat. It is for the traveler who just needs a comfortable place to shower and sleep. Met a Spaceport comes with shared bathrooms and laundry services. Let's take a look now at what's inside each capsule. Each pod comes with its own air ventilator. The first thing I notice is the fire extinguisher. All pods have a smoke alarm system in place. Each single pod comes with 2 comfy pillows and some sketching materials. Okay, I was kidding about the sketching material, so let's remove that. It comes with a TV remote, and a dashboard with several controls like lamp switches and air conditioning controls, a clock with alarm. There are 2 USB charging points, although I don't know why anyone would want to charge something slowly. All pods come with towels and duvet or comforter. There is a mini safe box in each pod and a mini table if you ever need one. Hey guys, we gotta keep it down.
This is what Capsule is.
This environment has a lot of geometric shapes, so much so that when I was sketching, it really felt like I was doing Zentangle art. Very therapeutic. On top of the 5th floor is the rooftop where a simple breakfast is served usually. Skip the cereal and toast if you want to, but don't skip on this spectacular view. This is Alvin exploring the different hotel accommodation options in Singapore. During this low peak season, I paid about 22 American dollars to spend a night here via agoda.com. Not all hotels in Singapore cost $300 a night. And of course, you get what you pay for. But here's something for the budget traveler who wishes to explore more. Time to check out. Thanks for tuning in. Watch out for my Arab Street episode coming out next. Until then, ciao guys.